So guys, everybody's been asking me to make a video about this car wash at night. So we were at the Tommy's Express car wash. So we're gonna go through and see how it is. We're gonna go through it. See if you have the app, you get in free. So let's do it one more time. So now it goes right here, it says welcome. We go in, drive around. When you get up here, you're gonna get on this track and put your car in neutral. So it sprays. And then you're gonna go through it. It's gonna do a rainbow coat, which is pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about this car wash is it's kind of rough. It really hits the car. But the lights are cool at night. And it does do a good job. It gets all the dirt off. Cleans and shines your tires. We ended up getting a month for free because this place just opened in my town. It does rinse the soap they put on really fast. I feel like they should delay the rinse for a second. Because they put the soap on and rinse it right off, so it really isn't sticking to your car very well. And the air dryer on this is pretty powerful. As you can see, it just blows the water away. Guys, this is the Tommy's automatic car wash. Not too bad. And this says go. So we're gonna put our car back in drive and we're gonna pull off. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys the Tommy's car wash.